Hello everyone, here's a new Weed Eater Featherlight 25cc I converted for RC airplane use. This thing was brand new. It's the new version. Uh, Never been ran till I converted it. But I lightened the crankcase on it, trimmed the flywheel, trimmed the coil mount, made an aircraft aluminum backplate motor mount and prop hub and tapered prop washer. I put a new prop bolt on it, hardened prop bolt. Took the spark arrestor off the outside of the muffler, and I rebuilt a 2 needle valve carburetor and put on it. It only had a 1 needle valve on it. But this thing is very light. It's quiet with the stock muffler on it, with the stock opening. Hand starts real easy. It'll out at 1500 RPM forever, and I get 6700 RPM up top with this Master Air Screw Classic Series 18.6 propeller. It's 93 octane gas, 2 ounces AMS oil, and just a tad bit of caster. And I've ran about 16-18 ounces of fuel to it. It's totally dialed in, and it runs awesome. Hand starts very easy after you choke it. And hand starts easy, hot or cold. It's available for purchase. The backplate motor mount on it, countersunk the bolt hole, so it'll mount flush to the firewall. All I have to do to it is I'm going to put a carburetor belt crank assembly on it so you get a straight shot, from your throttle push rod. Like I say, this thing's brand new. I've never got one of them like this to, run like this from, brand new. I mean, it just blows me away how low of an idle that you can get out of it. And it's a 11 millimeter Wadro carburetor, 2 needle carburetor that I put a new diaphragm pump in and I cleaned it. You tell me, man, I don't think it should open the muffler up and put 2 pipes on it unless somebody wanted me to, because I mean it makes awesome power like it is, and it really surprised me it would swing this 18.6 propeller. I initially tried it with a 16.6 and it felt like it was going to swing that off of there, so that's why I put this propeller on here. But man, this thing runs awesome, man. Really smooth, and it's not very heavy. It's unbelievable. That's a new design Weed Eater Featherlite 25cc. It's pretty small, you know, doesn't weigh a whole lot. It's new, man. This thing's awesome, man. I mean, somebody didn't like something that, you know, wanted something that was really quiet. You know, they put this on their plane, man, put around forever. I mean, it just blows me away how this thing come out. I almost hate to, you know, open the muffler up and you know, because it'll be louder, and the thing runs great like it is. If you want a quiet engine to fly your big high-wing floater around, this is it. I gotta get some more of these things, you know. Hey, this is a nice new design Weed Eater, 25cc. What I'm hoping is whoever buys this, you know, buys it like it is instead of, you know, opening the muffler up and welding a pipe or two pipes on it. Because I mean, this thing's quiet and it makes really good power, you know, for what it is. You know, like I say, I've ran 16, you know, a little over 16 ounces of fuel to it. And this thing here is awesome. It's way cool. There you have it, folks. Weed Eater 25cc, new version that I converted from a brand new Weed Eater. All I have to do is put a carburetor bell crank assembly on it, so you'll get a straight shot to the throttle push rod, and it's available for purchase. Thanks everyone for watching, and God bless.